Backstraps, right then. It's one of those small things that makes a big difference in how your work is perceived. It adds strength to the back of the head, obviously. Done well, it really adds a touch of class to your work. If a client is wondering if they want a backstrap or not, I point out it's the best headstock insurance they can buy. And it looks nice. So if you've ever wondered how to make a backstrap, I've made a video to teach you how. Unless you understand the geometry of these things, it doesn't matter how well you execute it, it'll never look clean. That's why I've made this short tutorial. The video is about 40 minutes long and it shows 3 different methods, but all based around the same core ideas. By the end of the video, you'll be able to know which ideas you can take and adapt to your current setup. Straightforward, repeatable, and gives you perfect results every time. If that sounds like something you could do with, click the link in the description. I'll see you in the video.